Most people are going to retire broke. Not because they did not earn enough, not because life was too expensive, but because nobody ever told them that one simple habit, done every single week, could have changed everything. It was never complicated, it was never out of reach, it just never got explained. Today, I am going to fix that. Here is the reality. The average American retires with less than $87,000 saved. That sounds like a number, until you realize it runs out in roughly 3 years of modest spending. 3 years. And then you are 68, your body is tired, and you are depending on other people. That is not retirement. That is just a delayed crisis. The habit that prevents all of that is almost embarrassingly simple. Buy one asset every single week. Do not sell it. Do not overthink it. Just buy something real, stack it, and repeat. No financial advisor, no complicated strategy, no timing the market, just consistency week after week until your money starts working harder than you do. Here is where most people's jaws drop. If you are 25 and you buy one share of VOO every week, that is the Vanguard S&P 500 ETF. You are buying the 500 biggest companies in America in a single purchase. The S&P 500 has averaged 10.5% returns per year since 1957. 30 years of weekly buying and your contributions total around $810,000, but your portfolio grows to approximately $4.5 million. You did not get rich because you were special. You got there because you did not stop. And if you think you cannot afford it, Fidelity and Schwab both allow fractional shares starting at $1. $20 a week compounding at 10% over 40 years still produces around $580,000. You're already spending more than that on things you cannot name by Thursday. Not starting is not neutral. Every week you wait, inflation is quietly destroying the value of your cash. The dollar you have today buys less next year. Waiting is not safe. Waiting is just losing in slow motion. For the 45-year-old watching this, you still have time, but you cannot waste another week. Look at Realty Income, ticker symbol O. It has paid a monthly dividend for over 50 years straight, through 2008, through COVID, never missed once. A 5.7% annual yield means while you are stacking shares every week, it is sending you a check every single month just for holding it. By 65, you are not just sitting on an asset. You are collecting income without selling a thing. And if you are closer to 60, HDV, the iShares Core High Dividend ETF, holds Exxon, Johnson & Johnson, Verizon. Lower volatility, 3.8% yield, and it pays you regularly while you hold. You still have 2 decades in the market, 2 decades of compounding. Most people your age will not touch it. You can. Here is the only question that matters. Are you going to start today, or watch someone else do it and wonder what went wrong? Pick one. VOO for the whole market. Realty Income for monthly cash. QQQ for aggressive growth. HDV for stability. Open an account today. Set a weekly purchase. Start with whatever you have. A year from now, you are either building something real or you are standing in the exact same spot. You already know which one feels worse.